What is up, everyone? This is Oliver, and for today, mag trade recap tayo, okay? So yesterday I took a short on Nasdaq. Alright, so let's go to the daily time frame first. Alright, so here in the daily time frame, here's my daily levels right here. So we have a inversion fair value gap right here, right? So I marked it as daily inversion fair value gap. Just the low of the fair value gap right here. Yung midpoint hindi ko na nilagyan ng line. So that was the inversion fair value gap that I was interested in, looking for a rejection in that level. So if we go to 4-hour time frame, we have here a very large sell off. So this was Tuesday, so we have a very large sell off right here. So it breaks this low right here, and this becomes, actually this is a breaker. So this is a 4-hour breaker right there, as you can see, and we also have a fair value gap inside the breaker. So there, that's the 4-hour fair value gap in the form of a SIBI. And as you can see, price was respecting this fair value gap. It was closing at the low of the fair value gap right here. As you can see, only the wicks are able to go above the fair value gap, but the bodies of the candles are staying below it. So this speed area was being respected, and also as sa meron din tayong SMT, so may SMT din tayo. So in relation to the US30, so Nasdaq versus US30, meron tayong SMT dito. So if we go to the daily time frame, meron tayong SMT dito. As you can see, yung US sorry, yung US30 is merong lower high, and yung Nasdaq is nag-create ng higher high. So which means there's a manipulation there, and it might reverse to the downside. So yun, another confluence for being a bearish. And yeah, yun lang yung talaga yung mga levels na I'm interested in looking for a rejection in that level. And then yesterday I took 3 trades. So the first 2 trades was a loss. So as you can see right here, I took a short right here at this fair value gap. Once I saw price rejecting this level, this daily inversion fair value gap, I was aiming for this low, and I was actually got stopped out right here. So I saw this break of market structure, right? So this low is broken, and then we have a fair value gap right here, this one right here. So that I entered short in there, and my stop loss was here, this high, and then I got stopped out right there. So that was the first loss that I took yesterday. And I think yung second trade ko is, I think medyo impulsive siya. So I saw this break here in this low, short-term low. I thought it was a shift in market structure, but if you go to 2-minute time frame, meron tayong fair value gap dito. So nag-enter ako dito, short again. My stop was here, and then I got stopped out again. So I said to myself, you know what, I should wait for the 9:30 open, to look for another set up, or I will just stop for the day and not trade um for the day. So I waited for 9:30. We have a manipulation right here. All this buy side liquidity, this short-term highs was taken out, then breaks lower. We have a small imbalance right there. I saw this. Price came to this imbalance and then drops lower, breaks this low, and then this is a mitigation block right here, this down close candle, mitigation block right there. Also a confluence, we have a fair value gap right here, inversion fair value gap, and we have an order block right here. See this see this up close candle right here, this two up close candle, this is an order block. So there's a lot of there's three PD arrays lining up together. So there's your order block, then we have a fair value gap right here, right there. So I entered short at the fair value gap. My stop loss was above the midpoint of this wick, so above this wick right there, and then I aimed for this low, and I think I made like 1 to 3 R plus something. So yeah, that was the trade setup. So 2 losing trades and 1 winning trade. So I took this is the first loss right here. So you can see 1 lot, and then the second loss is 1 lot again. So I it's about 1%. So 1% and 1%. So I lost like 2%, and then I won like 3%. Here's the first trade right here. Took a loss. Second trade took a loss. Then third trade here, took a short right here, and then I covered here. I took half partial here, this low. I took another partial right here, and then I closed all the position right there. So yeah guys, that was the trade recap of yesterday's trade. So yesterday was March 6th. Yeah, March 6, 2024, and those are the trades that I took yesterday. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.